Today I'm gonna show you this simple exercise. This is just a simple one. I got dataset. This is the employee master list. Okay, the master list is comprised of staff ID, name, job title, department, start date, and email address. So this is from A to F columns, and there are total of 199 employees, okay, up to row number 100. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all this data set from A to F. I'm gonna copy it to H to M, also from 1 to 100, including the headers, the staff name, job title, department, start date, and email. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna access the Alt F11, the VBA code, because we're gonna VBA editor, because we're gonna write our code here in this VBA editor. I'm gonna click the insert. I'm gonna click the module. So we already got the module 1, but I'm gonna close this to make the screen a lot bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna close this Explorer, Project Explorer, and also the Properties window. And now the screen is a bit bigger now. So I'm gonna write the macro, which is sub a copy cell value. Okay, we're gonna copy the value from one cell to another, or range of cell to another. So I'm gonna start with the range, and the range would be quotation mark. The range would be H. Oh, this is the destination range, H1 colon, then M100. Okay, this is the row number 100. Then quotation mark, then enter, then that value, then equals range. Okay, I'm gonna specify the range. So the source of the datasets would be from A1 colon, then F100. Okay, then quotation mark, then close it, then that value. That's it. Then okay, enter. Right, see if this thing is working, will work or not. Okay, let me check. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to Excel. I'm gonna, okay, this is the source of the data set that we're gonna copy from this range to this range, H to 100. So all I have to do is open the macros, and then I'm gonna run it. Okay, already there, no? Already copied from H to M, and then I'm going down, also copied. Okay, all the way to row 100, 199 total employee for this master list of employees. Okay, and this is the old copy. What if I'm gonna copy this to, this is in sheet number 1, I'm gonna copy this to sheet number 2 right here. So I'm gonna do this. So all I have to do is I'm gonna go to macros. I'm gonna edit the macro that I have, the existing macro copy cell value. I'm gonna edit this. Okay, all I have to do is I'm gonna insert the sheet number 2, and that would be the destination. Okay, number 2, then exclamation point. Then I'm gonna change this to A1 to F100. Okay, and that would be the destination in the sheet number 2. Okay, that's it. What about the second one, the second range? So the second range is still the source would be coming from A1, to F100, but I'm gonna insert the sheet number 1 right here. So sheet number 1, then exclamation point, right? Then A1 to F100. That's it. Okay. So going back to Excel, okay, I'm gonna run. So this is the destination sheet number 2 from A to F. Okay. So I'm gonna open the macros again. Okay, I'm gonna run it. Okay, there you have it. It's already pasted here. The in sheet number 2, the master list, employee master list, right? From row number 1 to row 100, total of 199 employees. Okay, that's it for this simple exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.